How to rank YouTube videos higher in search. To rank YouTube videos higher in search, you simply have to conduct high-intent keyword research. First of all, you simply have to launch the YouTube application on your web browser or a private web browsing. Tap on the search bar or the magnifying glass on the top right corner. From here, you simply have to now type your core topic into the search bar and look for the real-time drop-down suggestions. These are highly accurate, data-driven long-tail keywords. You can also use the YouTube Studio search tab on your desktop, and you can also now optimize your on-screen metadata layout as well as dominate the two primary ranking signals, which is CTR by using the test and compare settings within your YouTube Studio website, or AVP, which is average percentage view. Check your audience retention chart. If your retention drops sharply in first 30 seconds, trim your introduction and cut repetitive filler text. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.